Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Angle opposite to congruent sides are congruent, which is converse of theorem 10.1.2. It can also be written as, if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angle opposite to them are also congruent. It can also written in mathematically form. In triangle ADB, prove if AD congruent AB, then angle 1 congruent angle 2. In this mathematically form, there are two conditions in which one is if condition and other is its then condition. If condition can be used as a given, which is AD congruent AB, and then condition is used as a proof, which is angle 1 congruent angle 2. After the given and proof, we take its constructions. Draw an angular bisector of angle A, say AE, that intersects BD at point E, where angular bisector is angle DAE congruent angle BAE. It can also be written as angle 4 congruent angle 3. We know that the angle bisector is a ray which divides any angle into two equal parts. The angular bisector ray is AE. We divide the angle A into two equal parts. Angle DAE congruent angle BAE. Angle DAE congruent angle BAE can be written as angle 4 congruent angle 3. So the construction can be explained with the question. This question is, define angular bisector. Angular bisector is a ray which divides an angle into two equal parts. Two equal parts are angle DAE and angle BAE, which can be written as angle 4 congruent angle 3. For the proof of this theorem, we take an example. When corresponding is produced between two triangles, triangle AD and triangle AB, what is its mean? Its answer: when corresponding is produced in triangle AD and triangle AB, it means angle AD corresponding angle AB, angle DAE corresponding angle BAE, angle DEA corresponding angle BEA, and side AD corresponding side AB, side DE corresponding side BE, and side AE corresponding side AE. After the corresponding, we check the congruency of the triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if there exists a corresponding between such that all the corresponding angles and sides are congruent. For example, in corresponding between two triangles AD and triangle AB, angle AD congruent angle AB, angle DAE congruent angle BAE, angle DEA congruent angle BEA, and side AD congruent side AB, side DE congruent side BE, and side AE congruent side AE. The third step in this proof is side angle side postulate. In any corresponding of the two triangles, if two sides and their included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding two sides and their included angle of other, then the two triangles are congruent. For example, in corresponding between two triangles, triangle AD and triangle AB, side AD congruent side AB, which is its given, angle DAE congruent angle BAE is its construction, and A is congruent side AE, which is common in both the triangles. Then two triangles are congruent. Triangle AD congruent triangle AB by side angle side postulate. In its proof, when corresponding is produced between two triangles, triangle AD and triangle AB, side AD congruent side AB, which is its given, angle 4 congruent angle 3, which is its construction, side AE congruent side AE, which is common in both the triangle. Then triangle ADE congruent triangle ABE with side angle side postulate. Angle 1 congruent angle 2 can be find out with the use of CPCT rule. CPCT means corresponding angles of congruent triangles.